So here we have three species of hummingbirds, as it turns out, which include one of the biggest, giant hummingbird, which I'll get into in a second, and ruby-throated hummingbird, which is the bird that we have around here in the summer. You can see this is an adult male with this beautiful ruby red gorget. They're down in Central America right now. But in South America, you get these giant hummingbirds up in the Andes. And for many years, it was known that there was a population up in the Andes, and then there was another population that was kind of along the west coast in dry areas of South America. And some incredible work by Jessie Williamson for her dissertation at the University of New Mexico has shown that these are actually genetically distinct, and they have some incredible differences. So the high elevation birds, which is what this bird represents here, stay in the high elevations all the time, and they have some bunch of neat adaptations in their genomes for that. These other birds breed down in the lowlands, and then they undergo an incredible migration where they move all the way up into central Peru in the highlands to spend the winter up at high elevations in central Peru. And so this was something that people had never even realized until the folks from New Mexico were able to put trackers on these birds in Chile and actually follow their migration route all the way up into the Andes and then back down into the lowlands. And so, these are the examples of, and they've recommended that these two things be called different species. And, these are the kinds of things that the more you look, the more you find with respect to really incredible things the birds are doing that you might not have even noticed.